So since we see that writing using lambda expression, using this parens equal greater syntax is very easy, we're going to use it a lot, and the migrated code uses it a lot. Anywhere that you can have something bound to an expression, like a value in this case, or pretty much anything else, you will see this lambda sign defined. Let's just write it in new code. Let's say that we want to have a new member called number column weeks between, which will be called weeks between with a 3.1 value, also negative because it may be negative. And all we need to do is say weeks between, bind value to lambda, days between, divided by 7. Perfect. Let's put it on our screen. Column wizard, choose the days between, generate, get it over here. Cool. Take our text box a bit below. Let's align all of them so we'll be happy with the alignment. Great. And yes, we didn't want days between, we wanted the weeks between. And we didn't see it because we didn't build. So let's just build. And choose our column wizard. Weeks between. Great. Cool. So we've got it here. Let's run this, and we'll be able to see that it runs. Yay! Cool. So we can see exactly that it works well. And we'll use this a lot. So the migrated code, every time you'll see the parens equals greater, you'll know that we are sending an expression. We are sending a method to be evaluated later. And I said that it's being used a lot in the migrated code, and yes, it is. In many, many places, pretty much anywhere you'll see that you can accept a parameter of func x, you will see an expression that return x. Let me show you just a few examples. For example, there's the allow delete property that says that we can allow someone to delete, so it equals either true or false. But then there's the allow delete, the bind allow delete. It allows us to bind allow delete, and we'll bind it to a function. So we'll say something like some condition over here. Same goes for bind, allow update, allow export, allow insert, allow this. All of these will accept a parameter of func something to do that, because in all of these cases we are trying to determine not a specific value, but how to get the value, how to make the decision when it's time to make the decision, how to decide the value of weeks between when it's time to make that decision. So get used to it. You're going to see this a lot in the migrated code, and we'll have a lot of exercise for you so you can get comfortable with it.